What is going on, guys? We're back in the studio. As you guys can see, this is my studio. You know, that's like a real soundboard, speakers. Since you guys last saw me, I developed some magic. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and just teleport to the beach. Wow, there we are. Nice tropics, huh? And since you guys last saw me, I upgraded my house to a very large dream garage. And ready? Here we, wow, there we are. Yeah, if you don't believe it, I mean, you see it on YouTube. Everything you see on YouTube is fact. Okay, actually, let's go back to our own place. Woo, there we are. We are back to our old studio. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for joining me. We are a couple commentaries in, and so far, very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue it because you guys haven't been completely annoyed with me. We have lost some subscribers and many because people think I'm annoying, and I couldn't agree more. I mean, it is what it is. But I do appreciate you guys who are staying still, so make sure you guys hit the like button to let me know that you guys liked the video. But let's jump into the first video. We've got a generation of like non-GMO eaters, and people are afraid of, like, you know, the dark part of a banana. But we are willing to do stuff like this just for the views. What the hell? What is he holding at the end of the stick? It looks like his teepee, like his toilet paper. Like he just finished wiping his butt and decided to stick it onto a stick and then like hitchhike with it. Serious note, drifting? You guys are crazy. Talented crazy, I love it. Oh, before we move on to the next video, if you guys have any videos you want me to talk about, DM me on Instagram, Smurfinwrx. I'll talk about some fresh content for you guys. Okie dokie, so we all have, like, you know, an uncle named, like, I don't know, Uncle Tony? Uncle Tony's like crazy. He does shit that don't make no sense. Uncle Tony likes to like drive cars, pretty crazy, bump his music. And Uncle Tony, like, you know, he's chill, he's funny. He's a guy that you always want to bring around your homies because he always has jokes. Good wingman too. Meet Uncle Tony.
Ei, mas já bem isso aí. Ei, mas isso aqui é, isso é Camaro, não é troller não, animal.
Me tirar aí, o carro pode ficar aí, ó. Me der a mão aqui, rapaz, fecha o olho.
Yeah, that's Uncle Tony right there. Camaro, decided to off-road, ends up in mud. I mean, but look at him, just posing next to the car with his arm up like, yo, hey, this is life. I'm living it to the fullest. It's the best life, and this is what's gonna happen. Accept it, deal with it, I'm your uncle. Personally, I have no idea what language they're speaking. Uncle Tony's like, yo, shit happened, get me out. Cameraman, bro, you got stuck in the mud. Uncle Tony, yo, I know what I did wrong, just get me the hell out of here. But first, take a picture for me. You're covered in shit. You know, the post office has this idea that if it fits, it ships, right? That means you can take like a bunch of clothing, fit it into a box, seal it up, and just ship it for a really good price. Well, apparently, transporting cars follows the same concept.
Not good. That's not good.
It's all smashed up.
Oh my god.
If you ever need your vehicles transported by these guys, give them a call at 1-800, I'll fuck your car up. But it'll get there. You know, as you get older in life, you just realize, dude, people are amazing. Now there's crazy people, and then there's just simply amazingly talented people. Like this guy. What, you guys thought it was gonna be a fail? No, I mean, I told you, these videos are not all fails. They're gonna be... It wasn't a fail, right? You guys thought, gotcha there. No, but seriously, like, not all commentaries are gonna be fails. A lot of it highlights of just talented freaking people. So if you have a friend that's doing crazy stuff that's really cool, like drifting, please keep it on the track. I want to feature them because, dude, people are talented and it amazes me every day. Oh man, you remember the good old days when I think my Camber video hit over 1 million views when I first started commentaries. Oh, if you guys are watching and you're not an OG of the channel, you guys are like, why the fuck are you doing commentary videos in a fake ass studio? This is real, by the way. This is kind of what I used to do a lot of. And one of the good videos I used to do was, I think, Camber and how crazy it was. This next video, Camber life, low life meets Small Pebble.
Oh my fucking god.
People in the public judge us so much. You're like, why would you even drive that low? I don't know, man. I didn't choose this life. It chose me, bro. This next video, you guys know, there's no way in the world, I have a GTR, you guys know that. and I love that car, and it's been a dream of mine. But there's no way in this world ever, and no amount of money, the GTR would ever get beaten by a Honda Civic. Come on, it's just logic. I got twin turbos. I got all-wheel drive. A Civic, a 4-banger, front-wheel drive? There's no way. Plus, you know, it's an automatic, and that means for a GTR, there's no air. I just gotta hit the launch control, and then boom, I'm gone. Right? That's a fact. Well, that was embarrassing. I guess GTR can get beaten by a Honda Civic. I'm gonna take all that back and just kind of disappear out of this screen. Nah, but seriously, I was just joking. You guys know that. I love freaking Hondas. Did you know my first car that I've ever driven in a stick shift, and I learned in a stick shift in it, was a Honda Civic SI. It was like, I don't remember the year exactly. I want to say like a 91 or 92. I was really young. I was like, these are all stories. So I was 13. Of course it wasn't illegal because this is all a made up story. But yeah, no, I might have been 12. Holy shit. But massively impressive by the driver, the Honda Civic owner. GTR, hey, GTRs are fast, but they're not that fast compared to other guys who dump money into the car. Also deals with drivers. So big props to you Honda guys. I love you guys. I even have a 89 Civic in the warehouse right here. So, yo, I'm technically a Honda guy too. For life. I'm gonna get a Honda tat right here. It's gonna be like Honda. And then back of my forehead, my back of my head, it's gonna be the Acura sign. And then over here, it's gonna be like VTEC. And then right above my belly button, or right under my belly button, it's gonna be like faux life. 4 bangers. What? You don't think I'm do it? Watch me. Drifting, sliding into DM. I mean, sliding in parking lot. Through canyons, initial D. Drifting is so crazy.
What you doing? Background check for chopper. Blah, 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 blah. AR-15 with collapsible stock.
People are so damn talented. I had to highlight some of these guys right here. Crazy guys. You guys are doing it. Keep it off the streets. Keep it off canyons. But hey, if you're gonna do it, be safe. Know your talents and your limitations. Stay safe. This looks sick.
Picatinny real with a 3-point harness with a 150 round magazine and a die. Hey, FMJ's better box, nigga. Got the same setup as the SWAT.
I hope one day I'll be as good as them. That is so crazy. It's such a. If you haven't been drifting or been in a car drifting, do it. There's a lot of demos that happen. Big events, go, give it a try. It's a lot of fun. Be safe. All right, guys, short video this week, but thanks for watching. It's Friday, so we have a video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday commentaries. But you guys who want to watch vlogs, it's not over. Don't worry. We're still cranking them out. I'm just finding a better content platform for you guys to watch them. I'm always on Snapchat and Instagram, so those are like my daily vlogs right there. But for YouTube side, I want to create content on the vlog side a little bit more interesting for you because apparently, I work a lot, dude. I just work a lot. I hang out with my daughter a lot. I hang out with random friends. So we're gonna start working on my Camaro soon. So vlog content is coming. Just cranking out the commentaries for the OG guys. And I really enjoy doing this because I binge watch fails all the time. And I'm always saying random shit. Just imagine being my friend in the living room with me as I watch stuff. Uncensored. And I'm censored here. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Thanks. Peace out. Peace sign. You know you can't do this in Disneyland or Disney World in pictures. You can't even do this. So I don't know what us Asians are supposed to do in pictures. This is just like natural to us. Peace. In-screen moments. Sipping a nos, hanging out. Imagine, oh shit, almost choked on nos. Almost killed me. Imagine if I was in your room right now. Hey, what are you doing in there? Come on, play with me. Hello.